Hi folks, John here, Roseman RV in Vernon, BC. We're going to do a quick walk around of the Lexington GTS by Forest River. This is a 2006 coach on a 2005 chassis. This is 28 feet long. Sorry for all the noise. This is a triple slide unit. It's a 283. Look around the side here. There, all the noise is gone. So there's your cockpit area. The unit has 20,000 miles on it, or 30,000 kilometers approximately. There's your TV there. Let the camera adjust the light a bit. And we'll just kind of point down towards the bedroom there. And we're just going to flash down to the sheet on the table. You can freeze frame it there and see the features. Here's the kitchen. It's in nice shape. Has a generator, of course, 4,000 watt generator, and I think it has 86 hours on it. Walk around queen. Fantastic fan in the bedroom. Room for the other TV. I'm going to turn around here and look at the bathroom. And there's your bathroom. And walking back into the living room. I'm just going to show you the convenience center here. And it's a combo microwave, half-time oven. Alright, if you have any questions, give us a call here. Roseman RV in Vernon. Have a great day.